It reads, what is the value of y in the solution to this system? Again, we have the word solution. So basically means where the two lines cross. Now this one has a little bit of more letters into it. We have the x and the y. So if we just type in one of the lines here, 6y plus x equals negative 59, is going to give us an exclamation mark. That's why it is very important for you to master the solving for y mission before doing this, because we know that in that mission, if we have the y and the x together, we have to do this process. Y equals divide. I'm going to start off with this lonely number, negative 59. And I say lonely number because it doesn't have a letter next to it. I look for my x. My x is right here. It comes with this little sign. It's a positive x. What's the opposite of positive x? Minus x. So I'm going to put it here, minus x. And then I'm just left with the number in front of the y, which is a 6. And that number goes down here. Now it graphed it for me. How do I know it graphed it? Because it gave me a little circle. I don't need this anymore. Now look at this next one. Can I graph this one? So it's x equals negative 2y plus 9. And it gave me a little circle. So that means that yes, I was able to graph it that way. So now I'm going to find out where these two lines cross. I'm almost there. And there's a little circle right there. And that is my answer. But what is the question asking me? It says, what is the value of y? So we need to be very careful now not to choose this one. Look at this one. It is right here. But it's asking for the value of y, which is negative 17. And the answer right here, it is G.